Good morning, dear students. Let us start our first chapter, Reaping Gold from Soil. This chapter is related to agriculture. Do you like agriculture? So, in this chapter, we are discussing different things related to agriculture field. In this lockdown situation, each and every home, we can see the farming process. In my home too, I have a vegetable garden. I think you too. So let us discuss about what are the matters related to this agriculture field and what are the components related to agriculture field. For studying this chapter, I will show a video related to agriculture and their components. Let us watch that video.
In our textbook, we can see a beautiful vegetable garden in a school. Do you have a vegetable garden in your school? In our textbook, you can see that a boy named Babu is sharing his experience on cultivating vegetables at his home. He complains that he is not getting enough yield from his vegetable garden. So, what may be the reason for that? What are the factors to be considered to get a better yield? So, today we will be discussing the factors essential to get good yield. They are fertile soil, suitable climate, good quality seeds, proper manuring, proper irrigation, weed and pest control. However, proper manuring and irrigation, we may not get enough yield. What may be the reason for that? Here comes the role of seed quality. We get plenty of seeds from a single plant. Are all seeds suitable for climate? Are all seeds suitable for farming? Do all of them have the same quality? Today, we will discuss the factors to be considered while selecting seeds from a plant. Do not collect seeds from a mother plant at the early stages of a fruit production or at the end of fruiting. Collect the seeds or planting materials from a healthy, matured mother plant. Avoid diseased or weak plants for collecting seeds. We should select the seeds or planting materials suitable for the land and climate. In cold climate areas, people cultivate apple. We can observe beautiful apple garden. We like apple very much. But when we cultivate apple in our land, we could not get enough fruit because there is no suitable climate for the apple to grow. In some plants, we must collect quality seeds like pea and lady's finger. But in the case of brinjal, seedlings are transplanted after sowing and sprouting seeds. Formation of plants are two types. One is sexual reproduction, the other is vegetative propagation. The formation of seedlings from seed is bisexual reproduction. Example, pumpkin plant, pea plant, lady's finger, etc. The formation of new plantlets from parts like root, stem and leaf is called vegetative propagation. Some examples from stem: hibiscus, sweet potato, jasmine, bougainvillea, rose, pepper, croton. From leaf, example, bryophyllum, begonia. From root, neem plant.